Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unstuffing my binders that contain my sinking funds and my savings. And this is the end of the month closeout for May. So I make a deposit at the end of every month, and I add that money to I actually put it in our emergency fund. And so that's what I'll be doing in this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I'm sharing my debt-free journey here on YouTube to inspire others and just to motivate you, just let you know it doesn't matter how much money you have, you still can save. So everyone's budget is different. So I actually stuff spending money that would normally just sit in our checking account. I do not share any of our income or expenses. I just share me saving some of our spending money. And the reason why I do that is because we were just spending too much money. So I decided to start stuffing some of the money in what's called the envelope system, what you call it, the sinking funds, which is just small savings accounts. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull out this little ledger that I created to so the month of April we saved $1,356, and then this is the one for the month of May. I've already gone through all the envelopes and written down the amount. So the total that we saved for the month of May is $1,155.50, and that includes these sinking funds and the corn challenge. I took the money out of the corn jar and rolled up the ones that would be ready to go to the bank, and then I left some of the other money. If it wasn't, if it wasn't enough to roll, I left it in the corn jar. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, I'll screenshot it where it's on the screen also because it's small. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is my little bank deposit envelope that I'm gonna use to take the money to the bank. So this is my personal sinking fund, and I'm not gonna be taking any of this money out. I'm gonna let this money accumulate. So we're gonna be taking money out of our high priorities, what I call the high priority sinking fund. And the first one is car repair. This month we saved $49. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the $49 out. And then what I do to let me know that that money is in the bank, I highlight it. So like the last time I deposited $251, this time I'm going to be depositing the $49. And so I'll highlight the 300, just letting me know that that's how much is in the bank. So let me do that now. So I hope everyone is having a great day. I am. So that's 300, so I'm gonna highlight that. So when I start stuffing for next month, I'll know that I have $300. So the next one is travel. Got $125 to add to travel. And then I'll do this. See, it's home repairs, but the next one is stock market. I'm going on to stock market. 20. So no matter how much you save, it's just good to be able to save, period. So next one is appliances. We're gonna count this money at the end to make sure our totals match up. Roth IRA. New computer, put that right there. Okay, that's it for the high priorities. So next one is the low priorities. We're gonna empty this one also. So this one, post office box has $10. Yeah, take that one out. I'm gonna leave YouTube money in. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take it out also. No, I think I'm gonna have to leave the YouTube money. So I'm gonna have to subtract the $50 that I added to the total, because I gotta send this to a couple of my supporters. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this and let me know that I need to subtract. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna circle this. I need to subtract that $50 from the total. So that'll be $1,105.50 that we're gonna deposit. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, that's YouTube. I'm gonna leave that in. Car tags. Take that out. Home repair. Property taxes. Homeowners insurance. New car. Giving, I'll leave giving. Got to subtract that one too. I added that one too, so I need to subtract that $7. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna have to subtract $7. So $1,098. That's the new total again. $1,098.50. So we're gonna leave giving in there. And driving lessons, we're not gonna we're gonna leave driving lessons in here because this is just temporary. This is for my granddaughter. And wedding is a new one. I did not add it on here, so I leave that in here. And Christmas is a new envelope. And good grades is a new envelope. So that's it. So I need to do the challenges. So I'm putting my challenges in the bank also. So I've done the corn challenge. This is the corn challenge. I had $17.50 in coins. Got that right there. I need to do my 52-week challenge and my $5 challenge. And I'll be back. Alright, so this is the 52-week challenge and the $5 challenge. So, 52-week. This is the money for the 52 weeks. So, we're going to highlight this. Let me know that amount is in the bank. And the $5 challenge. Most people wait till the end of the year. I do mine monthly. Gonna highlight that. Let me know that is how much is in the bank. So yeah, so make sure I got all the envelopes. So I'm leaving YouTube and giving. So I got all these. Okay, so we should have $1,098.50. So I'm gonna get all this money together and we're gonna count it. Yay, I didn't think I saved that much. So yeah, so Like I said, the purpose of this budgeting community is to inspire you, not so much as to brag about money we have. I mean, we don't have that much money. That's why we budgeting. Duh. So, okay, let me put this back. I like to stay organized. Got a little OCD going on over here. So yeah, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I'm sharing my debt-free journey, and as you can see, I am using the cash envelope system to help get a hold on our spending. We still spend and enjoying the things we like, but we're just prioritizing. So we're gonna count all this money and see if it comes out right. Alrighty, let's go. So I know I need my calculator. Let me get my calculator. Hold on. I'm really messing up in this video, guys. Guess what? I forgot to add the May challenge. Let's add that to the total. So the Mayflower challenge, I say 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. Yay for $22. Every little bit helps. So we're going to put that right there, there, and there. We're going to add $22 to the total. So $1,098.50 plus 22. So now we got $1,120.50 that's supposed to go to the bank. Let me add it up on the calculator just to be sure. So $1,098.50 plus 22. Yep, 1,120.50. So that's how much we're supposed to have. Okay, that's gonna be the total. I'll put it on the screen, but that's the total. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3. $150. We have $450. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $20, $40, $60, $80, $200, $220. Plus $220. We got $670 so far. We're going to count these tens. Then we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus 60. All right. Dollar Tree calculator, don't fail me now. Now we got the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 160 plus 160. We had 890. So we got to count all these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Plus 38. 9, 28. Look like I'm gonna be short. Plus this $17.50. I done miscalculated somewhere. I only got $9.45.50. $9.45.50. So let me figure out my mistake and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I made a big mistake. $9.45.50 is how much I'm depositing in the bank. I'm gonna show you my mistake. Here on travel and vacation, as you can see, I whited it out. It's written in black. I actually wrote the total, which was $300. So the $175 plus $125 is $300. That's why I was short. I went through and checked all my trackers and I found my mistake. So yeah, so the total is $945.50. So I think that's still good, being that my husband and I hadn't really worked any overtime or anything, so that's pretty good. So that's it. This is how much Mrs Vee is depositing for the month of May. Thank you to everyone who's watching my videos, and thank you to the budgeting community for all these good tips. And I'm really enjoying this financial freedom that we're headed to. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. I'm going to put my money in this cute little envelope that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So yeah, so you saw my mistake. I'm glad I caught it because I was worried about that. So yeah, $945.50, and that's how much we have here.